Okay, now it is time to do my hair. I have my curling iron heating up. I use a long one because I have long hair. I got her off of Amazon. Don't know the name of it, but I could try to put it in my link tree for you, like on my Amazon storefront. The first thing I did was spray my hair with the Antisocial Bond Building Spray from IGK. And then I put a little bit of this Trufflove truffle serum in my hair as well. This I got off of Ipsy, so I got like a whole kit off of Ipsy. This I did get off of TikTok Shop. I'll put it in my showcase if you want to shop there as well. So I section my hair off into, they're not like super thin sections, but like sections. And I start at the bottom and work my way up top. And the way that I curl my hair is I start back section, nothing special. I like to use a clip curling iron. You could use a wand for this if you want to. And I just clip, pull it up to the top, and then start wrapping around. And this curling iron really like glides through the hair. It doesn't really get stuck or anything. So as I go, I just, sorry, my mirror is down here, so I have to look. And then I hold it for 10 seconds. And I go away from my face on this side, away from my face on that side. Okay, I'm not rotating curls, I'm going away and away. And then just let the curl down. Okay, put her towards the back and do the same thing again. So I'll show you. Take a little chunk. They don't have to be like super thin sections. I kind of rotate. Sometimes I do thin, sometimes I do thick, it just depends on how I'm feeling. So glide the curling iron down, and as you go, you want to kind of get the ends in there. I need to look in the mirror to see. Okay, again, hold for 10 seconds. So that's how that curl turned out. It's okay if they're like different because we're gonna brush this out when we're done. And I'm just gonna continue to do this all the way up to the top of my head, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's all done and curled, and I'm just gonna run my fingers through it, like roughly. Doesn't really matter. You kind of want everything to sort of just like blend together in this beautiful little wave pattern. Okay, on both sides. You can see that like some curls are skinny, some are thick. It doesn't really matter how they look, because as long as you like curl them away from the face, it's all gonna sort of blend together once you brush it. Some of my hair is falling out, don't mind that. But yeah, that's it. And then I just kind of floof it up a bit. You can add some, what do you call it? Like volumizing powder if you like, but I like my hair like this. And that is that. I think it looks really cute. And I've been wearing my hair like this and getting lots of compliments lately. So that is how I curl my hair. Come back for part 2 to see my skincare. Bye guys.